Hello, my friends. The question for today is: does the human body also operate based on the principles of survival of the self and survival of the species as animals operate? Let's tackle this today. The simple answer is yes. They follow the same mechanism. Let me explain. The body acts on the principle, the human body acts on the principle of survival of the self and survival of the species just like other animals. For the survival of the self, the human beings eat, drink, and make shelter. And for the survival of the species, the male and female act instinctively, mate and procreate. It is the same mechanism in animals, and we all know that. Let's go into a little more details. As I stated, our career, our body also works in the same manner like animals. But unlike animals, we are actually the souls. Our true self is also known as soul, and that is what drives our body. Therefore, we use we use the body in different ways, but it's a kind of sophisticated way. For instance, human beings make a variety of foods, variety of shelters, houses, and likewise drinks. This is because we, the souls, our true self, has certain capabilities. We may call those capabilities as three aspects of human soul or our true self. For instance, the soul has moral aspect, aesthetic aspect, and mathematical aspect. These three aspects of our true self make our existence, our bodily existence, much different compared to animals. In simple words, it is the soul, the driver inside the body, that makes a difference. If I may give the example of family, the institution of family, that is also another good example which reflects the qualities or various aspects of soul, our true self. I will repeat. The main difference between animals and us, the human beings, is that our bodies are driven or controlled by the soul. That is our true self. That is our personality. We also call it mind. And that is what makes our bodies so different from animals. Let's briefly talk about brain here. Brain is a kind of computer which controls the body. Human bodies as well as animal bodies have this gadget or have this computer. And that is how our body is controlled by this brain. The difference is that in case of humans, this computer is operated by the soul. Our true self. That is what makes a difference. And in case, if the operator, the soul, does not use his abilities and simply follows body's instincts, then such human beings become worse than animals. There is a verse in Quran which provides us this information. This is from chapter 7, verse 179. It reads, "And we have certainly created for hell many of the jinn and mankind. They have hearts with which they do not understand. They have eyes with which they do not see, and they have ears with which they do not hear. Those are like livestock, Rather, they are more astray. It is they who are the heedless. Now, somebody may ask, where does soul reside in our body? I mean, our true self. The answer is, it resides in the heart. Before quoting the verse, let me say that the Quran emphasizes the importance of the heart in perceiving and understanding guidance, because we, the souls, reside there. While physical eyesight may be intact, spiritual blindness, which affects the heart, can prevent one from recognizing the truth. As I said, because we, the souls, live in heart, it is for this reason Allah uses the term heart to refer to us, because He has made heart our home in the body. A verse in Quran refers to this. This is from chapter 22, verse 46. It says, "Do they not travel through the land so that their hearts and minds may thus learn wisdom and their ears may thus learn to hear? Truly it is not their eyes that are blind, but their hearts which are in their breasts." This verse underscores the significance of insight and understanding, suggesting that spiritual blindness originates from within the heart rather than from physical eyes, because we, the souls, reside in hearts. It implies that true perception and comprehension come from the heart's openness to guidance and wisdom. Again, let me repeat, because we live in hearts. I hope we have adequately answered today's question. Thank you.